will be better next time I try. And even if I still can't do it, yeah, you know that I'm gonna stick to it. Yes, it's all about going through it, and I'm gonna tell you why. Whoopsie, whoopsies, I made a mistake and it's okay. It's okay. Whoopsies are what it takes to get better and better every day. Whoopsies, I made a mistake and it's okay. It's okay. Whoopsies, help me look, see, I'm better at this today. Woo! Whoopsies, 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 whoopsies. I'm a little embarrassed when I look at my drawing compared to this. I'm just not getting anywhere with this. It makes me wanna hide. Aw, don't be embarrassed. Don't hide. You should have seen mine the first time I tried. It took a lot of whoopsies to look this way.
No one's perfect on their first day. Whoopsie.
Whoopsies, I made a mistake and it's okay. It's okay. Whoopsies are what it takes to get better and better every day. Whoopsie, 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 whoopsie.
Well, what about this? I want to jump rope, but nope, I just can't do it.
Well, not yet. Come on and practice with me. You'll see there's nothing to it.
Whoa! Whoopsie.
Whoopsies, I made a mistake and it's okay. It's okay. Whoopsies, help me look, see, I'm better at this today. Woo!
It was only a dream, the waves of evil crashing over us. It was only a weak and faithful scream beneath the battlements. I know it's hard, but for long, before it's too late. Wake up, my love, please don't give up on me. It's hard. Wake up. It was only a dream, the waves of evil crashing over us. It was only a weak and faithful scream beneath the battlements. But I know it's hard, before long, before it's too dark. Wake up, my love, please don't give up on me.
What is up? What is up, you guys? We are back at it again. My camera is weird right now, but another epic day of 100 days of Rootkit. Oof. It's a good thing it's a chill day. We're gonna be relaxing, doing nothing except answering questions and making sure everyone is spun up, caught up, and on board. All right. Nothing new. And then to finish it off, at the end of this, we're doing our big old giveaway, all right? Our big old giveaway. So, before moving further, let's finish up the rest of our intro here. If you don't know, we are Rootkit, a nonprofit here in the US of A, all right? Join. 100 days. We're going to teach you everything you need to know to get our comp sci cert and then go get a job. All right, we'll help you with that. We'll help you with your resume. We'll help you with everything. You want to see what's there? Look right here. We're updating our site right now, and we're going to tell you all the perks you're going to get. All right, we're better than college. The other boot camps, it's not even. Really? Come on. Why even gotta bring them up? That's just kind of a joke. All right. On top of all this free stuff that we're doing, if you go over to our blog, we have our week 9 giveaway up and live. If you go over to that and click on the big green button here, all right, you'll be able to enter the giveaway. It's just basic free things like making sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, following our Twitch, etc., etc. Completely free, and you can enter to win some of the merch that we're giving away. And we're giving some away today based off of last week's winner. Additionally, if you like what we're doing stuff for free is it's kind of expensive. Money gotta come somewhere. So, where does it come? From our donors, alright? So, if you want to help support us, you can go to the link in the description or into the Twitch bio, and you'll see the link here to this. Depending on how much you donate, you can unlock epic rewards like our stickers, our epic collab t-shirt, and this epic sweater. It even says Rootkit on the back of it. All donations are being matched 1-for-1 for the first 10,000 donations. And we have, what do you call it? We have a bunch of pillars along the way, like stream for 24 hours straight, shave my head here live on stream, and the one no one wants to see, shaving my beard. All right, no one wants to see that one because, I mean, I don't got much IQ points left, all right? So, half of them are just being held up right here, all right? We don't want to see it go away. Alrighty, that is it for the intros. I'm gonna be checking chat. Let me pull up the YouTube one. Here we go. I got the YouTube one up. Alright, I'm checking chat. I'm checking Discord. I'm in the Discord. If you are a Patreon supporter or a Discord premium member, you can hop into the events chat with me. I'm in there right now. And today's whatever you guys want of it. All right, you ask questions, we shall answer. It can be anything from the past 57 days. All right, anything from the past 57 days we can go over. This coffee is really, really hot. I got one submission yesterday, middle of the night by Evox. He just put in the work. He's grinding right now. All right. Wait, never mind. I lied. This was the other day submission. I got no submissions from you guys. Come on, I know it was Saturday. All I'm gonna say is, if you didn't turn anything in, you should have been at least blackout drunk. It was a Saturday. Come on. This is the only excuse I will allow, alright? Only excuse I'll allow here. So, as those questions come in, as a recap, let us see here. The assignment was to, the final assignment yesterday, before we get into C development, was to fix any general bugs left over in here, prep it up for bringing over to main, doing a pull request, and then tagging your stuff for release and giving it a new version number. All right, giving it a new version number. So just to run you through some of those. Fix bug with empty inventory for spawning enemy. I think this was this big fixed. Regardless, I'm not gonna go through and prep anything, like make it nicer or anything like that. I'm just gonna show you guys, you know, the pull request stuff once again, just in case you might be a little shaky on it. All right, so first things first, make sure everything is pushed up, which we did. As you can see, nothing in our stuff here is what do you call it? Is green, except for that file just because that was for the supporters. All right, as you can see, everything here is good to go. It's already been pushed up. So if we go ahead and pull up our GitHub account, we can perform our pull request. So let's go ahead and go over to GitHub. And let's go ahead and check our repos here. And let's go to Dungeon Crawler. All right, we can make a pull request by clicking on pull requests. All right, then we can do a new pull request. We want what to go into what? We want dev to go into main, right? Dev to go into main. All right, once that's established, we can click on create pull request. We can give it a little name here, and we're gonna click create pull request. This will open up a pull request ticket. So this is the back and forth you can have with your team. They can look over your code, make sure everything is good. If there's any automation for automatic testing, it would happen here also. And then when everything is good, someone will be responsible for clicking this big green button. Right now, you are. When you do that, you can also give this another label. We're just going to use the default one. And there we go. Everything is now merged into main. And we can see it right here. Now, to tag it for a release, we got to go over here to releases and click on create a new release. All right, we can give it a title. This is for your patch notes. This is just purely visual. Right here is the actual tag. So let's create a new one. We'll call this version, I think this is version 1.0 of our game. So we'll call it version 1.0. Click on this button here to create a tag. We'll say epic init release. Whoops. We did it. All right. And we can publish the release. Now, you can see the release shows up here. And so people can just directly download the source code. They can see any patch notes you had, the actual ID for the commit that you made that it's linked to. And all the code is right here. So hopefully that wasn't too difficult for you guys. And again, a reminder, so make sure you guys drop any questions that you guys have. If not, we're just going to chug along, all right? Remember, tomorrow we start with C. You need to install Visual Studio. Visual Studio. I'm going to go ahead and put this, and this is different than Visual Studio Code. They have two different names, as you see here, Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio, and their logo is the same, all right? Or not the same, it's slightly different, all right? They are different applications. Most of you guys probably already have Visual Studio Code, all right? That is different than Visual Studio, so make sure you download that. And I'm going to go ahead and put this, get out of here, Microsoft. I'm going to put this in here. Make sure you download this with C++ desktop support. All right, I'll put this into the link of the chats here. All right, make sure you guys download and run this, and when you first set it up and install it, it's gonna look like this. Eventually you'll get to a screen like this. Yours may automatically be on the available section, all right? If not, just click on the available section, all right? And you want to download and install the Community Edition. Did it already? Visual, because we did run this yesterday. So I'm gonna go and click on the install button here. Okay, this is what we had yesterday. So this is important. All right, this is important. Make sure you guys are clicking the C++ items. So desktop development with C++. And if you're on Windows, you can also do, I don't think it's needed for us, but you can do it also, Universal Windows Platform Development. All right. All right. I need you guys to do that. Both of them together are going to be 22, almost 21 gigs in size. If you just do development C++, it's just 10. I think that's, to be honest, all you'll need. But safe than sorry. This will vary a little bit for those of you guys who are on Macs, all right, and Linux. The big thing is look for desktop development with C++, all right? Don't download anything else here unless you want it. Unless if you want it, you don't need to download it. And you can always come back in here later and download these items, all right? You can always come back in here later and download any additional ones. This is not the only time, all right? So don't worry too much about that. And then just go forward with your installation. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I got both those. Click on install and we'll run the installer. Hopefully this doesn't bog down the stream too much. Alrighty. What other questions do y'all got? Ooh, some warm coffee. Again, remember, this day is all about you guys. It's pretty much tutoring 101, all right? Tutoring 101. So ask your questions. Well, we watch my Visual Studio install here. For tomorrow, remember, we're starting from the beginning. All right, we're starting from the beginning again. We're going to be talking about variables. We're going to be talking about variable assignments. We're going to be talking about if statements, and then while loops, and then logic, and moving on and forward, all right? We're going to literally start all over, so don't worry too much, all right? Don't worry too much. We'll be getting back to Python. We're just going to talk about C for a little bit, all right? We're going to talk about C a little bit, so mostly so we can learn about this concept called pointers, and concept called pointers, and I think we'll touch on structs a little bit, and then data structures, all right? Data structures, just very lightly, introduction to some of the biggest ones, so you guys are aware of them. And then we'll hop back to Python. I'm going to give you guys a little bit extra here to ask some questions because you guys are being awfully quiet this one. And if there are no questions, if you guys feel like you're ready to keep chugging along here, then we shall do our giveaway. We'll poll the winner. And hey, remember, the next giveaway is up and live right now. All right? Alright, tomorrow I hope you all are set up and good to go with Visual Studio then. Alright, because that's going to be important, because we ain't stopping for no one. We introduced it a little bit yesterday at the end of the stream, and we're talking about it right now. The links have been pushed out to the Discord. Alright. So ye be warned. So I don't see any other questions right now. So we're going to go ahead and do the giveaway. And then we're going to call that a stream today. All right. So, where do I need to go? I need to, bring up this. Pull this off the side. Alrighty. I guess I'll pull up a new tab here. So, we're going based off, just like last time. We got 4 merch items here. So, these are the 4 that can be given away. We're going to do a number, pull a random number between 1 and 4. And this will be number 1 at the top, number 2, 3, and 4. So that will dictate which item is being given away. And then we're going to randomly poll our winner. All right. So let's first figure out what the reward is going to be, shall we? So choose a number between 1 and 4. Come on, Google. I know you can do this. Is it pick a number? Come on, Google. How did we do it last time? Pick a number between 1 and 4. Okay, well, I guess we're going to this link now. 1. 1 was the number that was chosen. All right, this is random every time, right? Let me refresh. Yep. 1 is the number that was chosen. All right, so we're going to do all the stickers. All right, all the stickers for this winner. So let me go ahead and log in here and pull up Raffle Press. Come on. Load up. Taking your sweet time. All right, let us see here. What giveaway was this? Week 8. There we go. All right. Week 8 giveaway. Let's go ahead click on that. Alrighty. I see the contestants. And we're going to now choose a winner. Drum roll, please. No, we don't have a drum roll sound. Alright. And the winner is... This shit must be rigged or something. Jamie, what the fuck? I guess he did have a good amount of entries. Jamie, you've won all the stickers. Alright. I'm gonna talk to Jamie. Maybe we're gonna cut him off. Alright. I feel like he's won like 3 times. Alright. I think we're gonna cut him off moving forward because this is kind of ridiculous. Same thing with you, Evan. Or Evox, or whatever your normal name is on here. On what is it called? Evox. Yeah, we're about to cut you off too, alright? Because there's some other people here trying to win, alright? You guys are just have RNG's stats, I guess, or something. Yeah, y'all just taking everything from everyone. Alright, so Jamie, you will be contacted, your merch will be sent out, yeah, I hope you guys are excited for learning C tomorrow. Alright, for learning C tomorrow. It's going to be fun. It's going to be a relaxer. We're going back to simpler times when we didn't have to deal with classes and all that craziness. There's absolutely no object-oriented programming at all in C. Technically, there can be in C++, but don't really worry too much about that. We're not going to go into that. We're very much staying in C territory. Alrighty. I think that's 3 times for him and Evan. Yeah, sorry, you guys. You guys are both cut off now. Alright? Because there's other people here trying to win. And y'all... I don't know how you guys are so lucky. It doesn't make any sense to me. But, alright. I will see you guys tomorrow. Why he says rigged. On the next one.